So basically, to add content to your Unblocked profile, you're going to create NFTs using Manifold Studio. First, you'll head over to Manifold Studio and hit the Create button. When you do that, you'll need to select a contract, which is essentially like making a neat, organized folder for your NFTs. You can choose an existing contract if you have one, or create a new one by clicking New Contract. Then you'll pick a network, Ethereum, Base, or whichever you prefer. Base is a great option since it's more cost effective. After that, give your contract a name like Unblocked Profile Content or Unblocked Profile NFTs. Once you do that and hit create, you'll have your contract ready and you can start creating your NFTs. So once you've set up your contract for your NFTs, the next step is choosing the type of token you want to create. So you'll press that create button at the top and that'll open up all your token creation options. You can start with a one-of-one token, which is super popular and pretty straightforward. There are also other options like batch tokens, media tokens, collectible tokens, and even things like burn and redeem tokens. There's also a gallery token system, and you can explore even more options if you like. Just pick the type of NFT that best fits your needs for your Unblocked profile, and then you can move on to the next step. All right, so now that you've got your contract set up and you've chosen the token type, it's time to actually create your NFT. So you'll press that create button again, and you'll be taken to the section where you can start building your NFT. First up, you'll add an image or a video. You've got about 50 megabytes of space to play with. Then you'll give your NFT a title. Something like Unblocked Profile Post works great. After that, you'll add a description, just like you would on any social media platform. The description can be as creative as you like. Think of it like a mini canvas where you can organize and style your text in different ways. And then, super important, you'll add properties to your NFT. And this is how you categorize it within your Unblocked profile. For example, you might create a property called Category 1 and set it to post, so it shows up in your post section. You can add multiple properties if you want it to appear in different categories like business or portfolio. Once you've got everything set up the way you like, just polish it up, add any extra details you want, hit save, and you're all set to mint your NFT.